Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to turn on Bluetooth in your iPhone 16. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this iPhone 16 and you are wondering how to turn on Bluetooth. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your iPhone 16 settings section. After click over there, we'll see a screen appear just like this. You need to click here Bluetooth. From here, if you decide to turn on Bluetooth, you can simply turn on. Now you can see I had successfully turned on Bluetooth in my iPhone 16. If you decide to turn off Bluetooth, you can again go here in this settings section, click here Bluetooth, and you can simply turn this off. Also, there's another quick shortcut way to turn on or off Bluetooth in your iPhone 16. If you want to turn on Bluetooth, you need to swipe down just like this, and then it's going to appear. You can just long press over there and it's going to appear here. If you decide to turn on Bluetooth, you can simply click over there and your phone is going to be turned on Bluetooth. If you decide to turn off Bluetooth, you can again go over there, long press, and you can simply turn this off. So within this simple way, you can easily turn off or on Bluetooth in your iPhone 16. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.